Hello ladies, today we have another customer request. I call this one the thumb drive. This one coming for not powering on even while it's showing sign of charging. Alright, let's take this device apart and let's see what could be the issue as to why it's not powering on and see if we can solve this issue. So we take the device apart and it seems we have a swollen battery. Since this device was left on charge for a long time and wasn't used. And you know what happens when you leave something without use it, you end up with a case of swollen battery. Now ladies, always keep your device in working condition by using it often as possible to ensure maximum functionality and always charged and ready to go for when it's needed.